For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Government agency CERT In has issued an advisory about an impending cyber attack throughout the country. CERT In is the nodal agency to deal with cybersecurity threats like hacking and phishing. The agency has said that there is an imminent threat of a massive phishing attack in the country. The phishing attack could imitate government organizations by creating websites that mirror the original one. The hackers will be targeting sensitive personal data and financial information of people across the country. The advisory states that the phishing attack would be done in the guise of COVID-19 related directive. A host of these attacks will begin across the country starting from June 21st. These attacks will be targeting both individuals and commercial entities. The phishing campaign is expected to use malicious emails under the pretext of local authorities in charge of dispensing government-funded COVID-19 support initiatives. Such emails are designed to drive recipients towards fake websites when they are deceived into downloading malicious files or entering personal and financial information. As per the advisory, the hackers have stored up to 20 lakh email IDs of individuals and business organizations. These email IDs would possibly be contacted by criminals under the pretext of free COVID-19 testing. The cities that would mainly be targeted would be Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. The email IDs used by these criminals would look similar to official government domains so that they could mistake it for the original. For example, an email ID like ncov2019@government.in could be used in the phishing attack. The attackers are expected to contact gullible people under the grab of providing government aid. They could claim to be a part of the financial aid being rolled out by the government to deal with COVID-19. For this, they could ask for personal details as well as other identification details of an individual. The details are then exploited by these cyber thugs to siphon off money from bank accounts. CERT In has issued some guidelines for people to protect themselves from the phishing attack. The agency claims users shouldn't download or open attachments from unsolicited emails and even refrain completely from clicking on URL within such emails. Even if the email is expected or the cause seems genuine, it's best practice to go to the original website and access the page. Users can even check for spelling mistakes or irregularities within the email. Most phishing emails offer some kind of reward or prize. The recipient should not submit their personal or banking details to such mails. The number of cybercrimes has been on the rise during the COVID-19 pandemic. Phishing scams under the pretext of COVID-19 prevention efforts have affected many customers.